Good morning, class. How are you today? Okay, today our topic is all about plural nouns. Again, plural nouns. By the way, what is plural noun? Huh? What is plural noun? Okay, plural noun indicates that there is more than one of the noun. Again, plural noun is indicates that there is more than one of the noun. For example, balloon, this is singular because it is only one. But if there are three balloons, this is already the plural form. One balloon, three balloons. That is now the plural forms. Okay, there are rules or you are going to rules in having the plural form. You have to remember the following. Okay, number one, regular nouns. Regular nouns. Okay, for those regular nouns, if you are going to put in the plural forms, you just simply add s. Again, if it is regular noun, you are going to simply add s. For example, okay, printer. Printer is a regular noun. Again, printer is a regular noun. So the plural forms now becomes printers. Printers, simply add the s. Printer, printers. There is already s in the end of the word. Okay, another example. Computer. Computer. Computer also a regular noun. Again, computer is a regular noun. So the plural forms now becomes computers. Computers, because we are just only simply put s at the end. So one computer, two computers. Okay, another example, bottle. Bottle. Bottle is also a regular noun. Again, bottle is also a regular noun. So the plural forms now becomes bottles. Bottles. There is already s at the end of the word. One bottle, two bottles. Okay, another example. Window. Window. Again, window is a regular noun. Window is a regular noun. So the plural forms now become windows. 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 Okay. You just simply add s. One window, two windows. Next is the head. Next example is head. Head is also a regular noun. So the plural forms now becomes heads. Heads. One head, two heads. Okay, number two. If the word ends with s, ch, is h, x, or z. Again, if the word ends in s, ch, is h, x, or z, you just simply add es. Again, you just simply add es. Okay, I will give you example. Watch, watch. Okay, look at the word watch. Okay, it ends with ch. It ends with ch. So the plural forms now becomes watches. Watches. Again, one watch, two watches. The word ends with letter C and H. Okay, number two example, box. Box. What is the last letter of the word? Ends with letter X. Ends with letter X. Again, ends in S, CH is H, X, or Z. So you are going to simply add ES. That becomes now boxes. Boxes. One box, two boxes. Number three, examples. Dish, dish, dish. Okay. Remember, the last the last letter of the word is S, H, S, H, S, H. So again, ends in S, C, H, is H, X, or Z. So simply add E, X. So that becomes now dishes, dishes. One dish, two dishes. One dish, two dishes. Next example is bus, bus. Again, bus. Okay, the word ends with letter S. Again, the word is ends with letter S. So just simply add ES. That becomes now buses, buses. One bus, two buses. One bus, two buses. Next is the quiz, quiz, quiz. Okay, look at that word. It ends with letter Z. Again, it ends with letter Z, ends with letter Z, so add ES. Simply add ES. That becomes now quizzes, quizzes, quiz, quizzes. Okay, okay, let's review. Watch, two watches, one box, two boxes, one dish, two dishes, one bus, two buses, one quiz, two quizzes. Number three, ends, the word ends in F or if E. Again, if the word ends in EF or if E. Okay, you are going to simply remove the F and if E. Okay, remove F or FE and add VES. Again, remove the F or FE and add VES. Okay, example is half, half, half. Okay, the word ends with letter F. Again, the word ends with letter F, so that becomes now halves, halves. One half, two halves. One half, two halves. Okay. Next example is midwife, midwife, midwife. Okay. The word again ends with FE. Ends in F or FE. So what will you gonna do? We are going to remove the FE and add VES. So that becomes now midwives. Midwife, midwives. Midwife, midwives. Okay, next is self, self, self. Again, the word ends with letter F, letter F. So remove the F and add VES. That becomes now selves, selves, self, selves. Next is life, life. The word ends again with letter F and E. The word ends with F and E. So again, remove the FE and add VES. Life becomes now lives, lives. One life, two lives. One life, two lives. Number three, and now last example is calf, calf, a calf, calf. That is calf, calf. Again, the word is ends with letter F. So remove the F and add VES. That become now calves, calves, calf, calves. Okay, one half, two halves, one midwife, two midwives, one self, two selves, one life, two lives, one calf, two calves. Okay, very good. Next is number 4. The word ends in vowel plus y. Again, if the word ends in vowel plus y, so you are going to simply add s. Ends in vowel plus y, simply add s. Okay, for example is boy. Okay, vowel plus y. So O and Y. O is a vowel and then Y. So the plural form still becomes boys. Boys. So O is the vowel plus Y. So add S that becomes boys. One boy, two boys. Another example, delay. Delay. Again, look at the word. The last two letter is A and Y. A and Y. So A is a vowel plus Y. So A plus Y is delay. So simply add S. That becomes now delays. Delays. Next example is tray. 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 Again, look at the end of the word. A and Y. A and Y. So vowel plus Y. Okay, that becomes now trace. Trace. Tray, trace. Okay, next example is kidney. Kidney. Again, kidney. The end of the word is E and Y. E and Y. Since E is a vowel and Y, so E plus Y, so that becomes now kidneys. 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 Okay. Next is the day. Day. Again, day ends with A and Y. A and Y. A is a vowel and plus Y. So A plus Y, that is vowel plus Y. So you're simply add days, become days. So one boy, two boys, delay, delays, tray, trays, kidney, kidneys, day, days. Okay, let's go to number 5. If the number 4 is ends with vowels and consonant, vowels and y, in number 5, the word ends with consonant plus y. Again, ends in consonant plus y. Okay, what are the consonant letters? Okay, those are the B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Those are the consonant letters. So consonant plus Y. So you're going to remove the Y and then add I-E-S. Remove Y and add I-E-S. Okay, example, worry, worry. Okay, worry is W-O-R-R-Y. So consonant and vowel. A consonant and Y, sorry. Consonant and Y. So that becomes worries, worries. Worry, worries, worry, worries. Next is reply, reply, reply. So the word is ends with consonant and y. Reply, reply. So the plural form now become replies, replies. We simply remove the y and then add the I E S. Reply, replies. Next is candy, candy. Again, the word ends with consonant and Y. Consonant and Y. D Y. So remove the Y and add I E S. That becomes now candies. Candies. Okay, next is the trophy. Trophy. Again, trophy. Okay, the end of the word is H and Y. Again, the word ends with H and Y. So the plural forms have become trophies. 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 Okay, next will be memory. Memory. Again, memory, R and Y. So consonant plus Y, memory. So the plural forms now becomes memories, memories. Worry, worries. Reply, replies. Candy, candies. Trophy, trophies. Memory, memories. Next is number 6, irregular nouns. There are those with irregular nouns. So what are you going to do? Just remember the words. If those are the regular nouns, the example of regular nouns are, okay, man, man. So one man, okay, the plural forms to become men, men. This is what we call the irregular noun. One man, two men. One man, two men. Child, child. The plural forms to become children. Okay. One child, two children. One child, two children. Next is mouse. Mouse. Okay, the plural forms is mice. Mice. Another example, tooth. Tooth. So the plural forms becomes teeth. Teeth. Okay, next is the foot. Foot. The plural forms now become feet. Feet. So this is what we call the irregular nouns. We're not going to add s or es or ies. There are another word to make this word becomes plural. For example, the children, a child is children. It we are simply add ren, but in the mouse we will not add ren, but the spelling becomes now mice. So that becomes irregular nouns. Number 7 ends in vowels plus O. Again, vowel plus O. Okay, what are the vowels? Okay, the vowels are the A, E, I, O, U. Those are the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Those are vowels. So, you're going to simply add again S. For example, video. Video again ends with E and O. So E, since E is vowel and O, so vowel plus O, so video. So you're going to add S, so that becomes now videos. Videos. So video, videos. Okay, next is the zoo. Zoo again ends with letter O and O. Okay, O is vowel plus O. So vowel plus O, that becomes now zoos, zoos, zoo, zoos. Okay, you simply add S. Next example is stereo, stereo, stereo again. The word ends with E and O, E and O. E is a vowel plus O, so the plural forms to become stereos, stereos. Next will be radio, radio. Again, radio ends with I and O, I and O. So the word now become radios, radios. One radio, two radios. Next is kangaroo, kangaroo. Again, the word ends with letter O and O. Since O is a vowel, then O, vowel plus O, so you are going to add S, that becomes now kangaroos, kangaroos. Okay, one video, two videos. One zoo, two zoos. One stereo, two stereos. One radio, two radios. One kangaroo, two kangaroos. Okay, number 8. A word ends in consonant plus O. Again, if the word ends in consonant plus O. So you're going to do is add the ES. Again, ES, consonant plus O. Example is, okay, echo, echo. So the word ends with H and O. Again, the word ends with H and O. That is consonant plus O. So the plural forms now become echoes, echoes. Next is the potato, potato. Again, potato ends with letter T and O, T and O. So again, T is a consonant and O. So consonant plus O. So we simply add ES, so that becomes potatoes, potatoes. One potato, two potatoes. Hero, hero. Again, the word ends with R and O. And R is also a consonant and O. So ends with consonant and O. So the word now becomes heroes. Heroes. One hero, two heroes. Veto. Veto. Again, veto. T ends with T and O. Consonant plus O. That becomes now vetoes. Vetoes. T and O. Vetoes. Next will be tomato. Tomato. Okay. The word ends with letter T and O. T and O. Okay. That becomes now, the plural forms now become tomatoes. Tomatoes. Tomato, tomatoes. Eco, ecos. Potato, potatoes. Hero, heroes. Veto, vetoes. Tomato, tomatoes. Number 9 is no changes. There are words that you are not need to change the word. For example is there, there. The plural form is still there. There, one there, two there. Still the same. There are words that you need not to change. A lot of these words you can, if you're confused of the words, if no changes or need to change, you can simply uh, browse at the internet. Okay, swine, same, still the plural form is swine. shift, shift, shrimp, shrimp, fish, fish. So these are the examples, only examples for the words that if you are going to put them in a plural form, they don't no changes at all. They have the same what do you call this one? The same spelling. So again, deer, swine, sheep, shrimp, and fish. Okay, that ends for our lessons. So you have, after this, you need to do the activity. Okay, for your activity, okay, first you have to review the rules in making plural forms. Number one, regular nouns, you are simply add s. Number two, ends in s, ch, sh, x, or z, add es. So you're just going to remember this one class. So when you're going to make a plural form, you will not be confused already. Just remember the 9 things in making the plural nouns. Okay, number three, if the word ends with f or fe, simply remove the f and if e and then add ves. Number four, ends with vowels and y. Vowels plus y. What are the vowels? Those are the a, e, I, o, u. So remember this one. A, E, I, O, U. So you simply add S. Number five is ends in consonant plus Y. The consonant are those B, C, D, and so on and so forth. Those are the consonant. Consonant plus Y, you are going to remove the Y and then add I, E, S. Number six is the irregular nouns. In irregular nouns, if you are also confused, just simply browse on the internet. A lot of words that will come out as irregular noun. So you can see what are the plural forms of it. Okay. Number seven, ends. The word ends in vowel plus O. Ends in vowel plus O. Just add S. Again, what are the vowels? Those are the A, E, I, O, U. So those are the things that you are going to remember. So if you're going to put them in plural forms, simply add S. Number eight is the consonant plus O. Consonant plus O. Again, what are the consonants? Those are the the B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Those are the consonant letters. So if consonant plus O, add ES. And lastly is the no changes. Okay, for your activity, number one, give the plural forms of the following noun. Okay, give the plural forms of the following nouns. Letter A is mouse. Letter B, story. Letter C, woman. Letter D, left, lift. E, house. F, photo. G, die. H, torpedo. I, dog. G, mud. Okay, this is your activity. You're going to write in the paper. Your answer, you are going to write it in your paper and then picture it, have a picture and send to your classroom teacher. I will collect this one after when we come back to the school if we have already the face-to-face classes. Okay, and number two is the give the singular forms of the following noun. Okay, calves, countries, geese, people, videos, piano, books, keys, there, and ladies. So if you are going to copy this one, just post the video and then copy and then write your answer to your book. Okay, that's all class for today. And again, good morning. Then bye bye. See you again next time.